Now I will create a new process. I could use the quick action button up here, but for now I will use the side menu and click workspace. We are now in the processes page, and if I want to create a new process, I will click the green button up here. This opens a new window. As you can see, there is a number of fields I need to fill out to create my new process. The first one is the name of the process. I will create a very simple process just for demonstration purposes. I will name it Booking a Meeting. The next one is going to be the trigger of the process. This is typically what starts a process, and in this case I will put meeting is needed. The next is the status field, and this is fixed to new. The next one is description. This can be as short or as long as you want, but for me I will put when there is a need for a meeting, it needs to be booked. All right. And the next thing I want to put is the owner. Here I typically put myself unless I'm helping someone else, and my location, it is in Norway. And here is also a category. I could choose any number of these, but I will put uncategorized. You could also put some notes here, and the difference between the notes and all of the information on this side and this side is that the information here, like name, trigger, and description, is going to be visible to the chat users later. So this information is hidden from the users. This information will be visible. So this is to keep in mind when you're creating the process and what type of information you want to share with the users. Meaning, if I want to put more information here, like remember to add splits, for example, I can put this here. All right, so I'm going to put this as a core process. A core process means that this is a top level process, which is at the center of an activity. Then I'll click add, and my new process is created. If I now click on it, you can see it opens. It hasn't any model. It isn't part of any hierarchy, but you can see all of the information here. Now, if I want to change any of the information, I could just go to the cogwheel, click on edit, and I can change the information here. Now we can see that after I created a new process, back at the dashboard, a few things has changed. We can see here there's one active process. In recent activities, you see there has been the user that has created a process called Booking a Meeting. If I go to recent processes, these are the recent processes that has been worked on. Also, you can see there is a notification on the sidebar. I open it and you can see admin has created process. It's also unread. So what I can do is mark all as read, or I can click it. Now that we've finished creating a process, let's move on to invite some users.